but I'm going to cut it short for now. Same thing up here.
By the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the cone. This ain't a persona. I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meal.
Back onto this Corolla from yesterday.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
You can obviously see it got smoked good in the back. The quarter panel's wrapped over the door. So I got this one all pulled out. My door gap looks good now. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out of clamps and get it on the ground so I can start cutting it apart. Go ahead and cut the quarter panel off and cut the rear body panel off and start getting the new parts fit up. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make 2 rough cuts, short compared to where I'm actually going to go up further, but I'm going to cut it short for now. And same thing up here, and then that'll get the bulk of the panel off, and then I'll trim it back exactly where I want my cut at. I got this one roughly all cut apart and I'm starting to clean it up, but I'm going to pause on it. I'm going to go back to this Chrysler 300 that I repaired yesterday. They got it painted, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one together so it can go home today. all done. I'll have to clean up. So I have the quarter panel sitting on here with the nice door gap. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scribe this right through here. Then I will lift this quarter panel back off and I'll make my final cut on the car. And I'll have a nice tight gap there to weld up. Same thing down here.